Trump criticizes the Cleveland Indians for changing their name to the Cleveland Guardians. Former President Donald Trump chastised the Cleveland Indians for renaming themselves the Cleveland Guardians. The Indians had previously announced their intention to change their name, following in the footsteps of the Washington Redskins, who dropped their nickname to become the Washington Football Team. Critics argue that the names, particularly the Redskins and Indians' former Wahoo logos, are offensive to Native Americans. In recognition of historical mistreatment of Native Americans, a number of colleges, universities, and high schools have changed some nicknames related to indigenous people, ethnicities, and past stereotypes. On Friday, the Major League Baseball team debuted the name Guardians. The nickname is a reference to the long-standing guardians of traffic statues on a Cleveland bridge. Trump, who has had political squabbles with other major sports figures and institutions such as LeBron James and the National Football League, was unimpressed with the new name. According to the Seattle Times, as Storm and Team USA legend Sue Bird prepares to compete for her 5th gold medal, she declares that this will be her final Olympics. Sue Bird is only the 2nd basketball player to serve as Team USA's flag bearer at the Olympics. During an interview before the opening ceremony of the Tokyo Olympics, soccer star Megan Rapinoe opened up about the moment her fiancé, basketball star Sue Bird, found out she would be the flag bearer for Team USA. Twitter is ecstatic because Pita Taufatofua, Tonga's oiled-up flag bearer, returns to the Olympic. Pita Taufatofua, Tonga's shirtless, oiled-up flag bearer, made a triumphant return during the opening ceremony of the Tokyo Olympics. Taufatofua, who first captured the world's attention at the 2016 Summer Olympics in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, will compete in the Taekwondo tournament. As Tonga's flag bearer during the 2018 Winter Olympics, he was also shirtless and oily. His presence is proof that, in a world so divided, we can all agree on one thing: some heroes don't wear capes, sometimes, they wear so much baby oil that an 80s Hulk Hogan would blush. Maria Taylor joins NBC and makes Olympic hosting debut 2 days after ESPN exit, will work NFL games and Super Bowl. 2 days after it was announced that Maria Taylor was leaving ESPN, the network's former NBA Finals pregame and halftime host made her NBC debut, doing Olympics coverage. NBC Olympics anchor Mike Tirico introduced Taylor, whom he described as a new member of our NBC Sports and NBC Olympic family, during coverage of the opening ceremony on Friday. He then said, "Maria, welcome to Tokyo and the team." Taylor tweeted about the incident on her personal account. NBC Olympics anchor Mike Tirico introduced Taylor, whom he described as a new member of our NBC Sports and Fans react to the shocking series finale of Good Girls, and why there will be no season 5. All good things must come to an end. It's just a shame that NBC's Good Girls ended much sooner than fans would have liked. Season 4 concluded with 2 back-to-back episodes that revealed the fates of everyone's favorite suburban criminals, Beth, Ruby and Annie. The show said its final goodbyes to viewers after being cancelled just before the final few episodes of Season 4. The thrilling series fared well critically, with the first season receiving a 63% approval rating on Rotten Tomatoes, and the second and third seasons receiving 100% ratings. Unfortunately, Good Girls was cancelled in June of this year for a variety of reasons, leaving fans devastated. Let's take a closer look at why the show was cancelled and why a 5th season is unlikely. We very much wanted to bring Good Girls back for one more season to close out the story, but unfortunately we were unable to make the financials work, an NBC employee reportedly said.